This video is going to tell you how to set the decision rule when combining student growth assessments. So let's say, for example, a teacher had two different assessments that make up their student growth score, and they would have a rating level on each. This is where you would set the range that places them into a particular student growth level when combining those assessments. So if I click on one of the student growth levels, we see we have a decision rule. I can choose range, less than, or greater than. It says right here this rule setting will be used to average score values of student growth assessments. Like I said, if you have, let's say, two assessments, maybe each is worth 50% of the total student growth, that are added for the teacher and provide a recommended rating. Set a range for an average score value. So in other words, the range of values that would place them in the proficient category when combining assessment 1 and assessment 2 for student growth. Now if I go over to the summative evaluation to show you where this particular decision rule comes into play, I simply click on the View Results and Set Ratings. I scroll down to the Student Growth section. Here we have two exams. We have a rating of proficient and a rating of needs improvement. So if those decision rule ranges on the student growth rating level, say proficient, is a range of this to this, that would recommend a rating based on the combination of these two rating levels. Now keep in mind you have to have the averages turned on. If you're using points, this is not going to apply. This applies if you're using averages, as most people are. But again, this is where that would show up when you put in that decision rule over on the student growth rating level individual tabs.